small indoor skate park, but my friend has graciously let me come skate it with my other friend, who you'll see in 1 second. Picked up Evan.
Yeah, and stupid seatbelt won't work. Oh, I got it. And we're about to listen to some music. Let us know in the comments what your favorite music genre is, or what your favorite kind of tacos are. Mine are chicken tacos.
I like fish tacos.
Yeah.
Fish is way better than chicken.
Fish grosses me out. Even though I lived in Nova Scotia for 3 years, I hate fish so much. It grosses me out. I'm sorry to my family that lives out there, but I hate it. I hate it so much. But I'm not trying to brag. I lived in the town where they filmed Trailer Park Boys, and my mom went to high school with man, I don't know his name, the guy with the like long braids. Corey Bolts. Yeah, that's who my mom went to high school with.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they went on a date actually in like middle school.
Can you confirm that?
Yeah.
By the time I post this video, Evan has to confirm if that's a true fact or not.
I can. Like, my mom is still in contact with him.
All right, we wait and see now.
Yeah.
What his mom says.
Yeah. Watch her be like, no, LOL. Who's that? You can gouge away, stay all day, if you want to. Backhand, I don't know what it used to. Hey viewers, do you want some candy? Oh wait, you're behind a screen, and I'm in the screen. Yeah, I'm on YouTube now. Sue me. Who owns Facebook again?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Sue me, Mark Zuckerberg. You know what? You paid how much money for Instagram? I got it for free. It was like $3 billion. I got Instagram for free. You're the idiot in this situation.
That's good. But yeah, it looks good. I haven't been here in a long time. Got TV. Oh. We gotta clean up a bit and then skate.
Flex class. One of them was wearing mom jeans. The other, I don't know. Holla at me. You're gonna holla after me after you see this.
Trick shots with Evan B.
Oh. Nice. Oh, he's still alive. Oh wait, end it.